Hello. Then our next topic is Latin terms and abbreviations. Right? Our okay. That is just now we saw the handling of prescription. Right? Afterward, we will discuss about the Latin terms and abbreviation. Right? These are the Latin terms and abbreviations. Right? Actually, what happened? Actually, already we have learned, right? That is encryptions, right? Inscription, that is the main part of our prescription, right? The name of ingredient are written in English or Latin language, right? There is one point which is already we have read it, right? English or Latin language or sometime abbreviations are used. The name of ingredients are written in English or Latin language, or sometime abbreviations are used. Okay, also used. Okay, that's why it's very necessary to understand or to mug up or to learn the each and every abbreviations along with Latin language, right, and its English meaning, right? So it is a very necessary to know, to mug up, to understand the these abbreviations or these terms, right, by the patients, right? So let's begin with this. Okay, let's see Latin terms, right? That is used in prescription writing, right? This kind of Latin terms when doctor prescribing the prescription, that time they use it, right? First is there is a three table, right? First table is Latin term, okay. Then second column is abbreviations, and the third column is English meaning in English, means Latin term, and then in first column these are the Latin terms and these are the abbreviations of these Latin terms, okay. And in third column these are the English meaning of these Latin terms, right? Let's see. That is Oristile, okay. That is Oristil in abbreviation, and the English meaning of this, that is eardrop, right? Then capsula, right? That is a Latin term. Then in abbreviation, that is caps, English meaning is a capsule. Then cataplasma, that is cataplasm, a poultice, right? Then charta, that is chart, that is English meaning of charta, that is powder. Colutorium, that is mouthwash. Collyrium, that is eye wash, okay. Cremor, that is a cream. Emulsio, that is an emulsion. Haustos, that is a draught. Then ejectis, that is the injection. The name of injection in Latin, that is ejectis. Then insufflatio, that is insufflation. Linctus, that is linctus. Linimentum, that is liniment. This is the semisolid dosage form, right? Then liquor, that is a solution. These are the various type of abbreviations, right? Which is abbreviation means these are the preparations, right? This is a dosage form: capsule, poultice, powder, mouthwash, insufflations, liliments, injections. These are the kind of dosage form, okay. This is the English name of dosage form, and this is the Latin term of this particular English term, right? This is the abbreviations. Then next, okay, this is same lotion. In lotio, that is lotion. Mistura, that is mixture, mistura. Neristile, that is nasal drop. Nebula, spray solutions. Pasta, that is paste. Pilula, a pill, sorry. Pulvis, that is powder. Solutio, that is solutions. Suppositorium, that is suppository. Okay. Then tabella, that is tablet. Okay. Unguentum, that is an ointment. Okay, these are the preparations. This is the preparation, and this is the name of preparation, right? And these are the Latin term of this preparation, and this is the abbreviation. This is very important to know the pharmacist, right? It is very necessary to understand MUGUF, right? It will be very necessary. Then in previous slide we talk about the preparations, right? Then now method of administration or applications, right? Method of administrations and means how to administrate. Okay, how to administrate or apply. These are the name of administration. Okay, English meaning, this is the Latin term. It is very important actually as per exam point of view, right? You should mug up all these Latin term abbreviations along with English term, right? As per exam point of view, right? These are terms are very necessary to know you, because it is asked each and every year, right? So addendus, that is added. This is the Latin term abbreviation, and this is the meaning, English meaning. Addendus, addend, to be added. Applicandus, that is applicant, that is to be applied. Applied, that is applied means semi-solid dosage form, to be applied. Applicat, okay, no meaning, no abbreviation, that is let apply. Capendus, that is to be taken. Capendus means to be taken. Dandus means to be given. Deglutiendus, that is to be swallowed. Infricandus, that is to be shooded in. Then inhalator, then let it be inhaled. Miscendus, that is to be mixed. Signa, that is sin, label. The sumendus, that is s or some, that to be taken. Utendus means to be used. Okay, this is the method of administration. Okay, then time of administration, right? I think you saw the prescription, right? There is some doctor write the BID, right? TID, QID, right? That is time of administration, means frequency of administration, right? Frequency of administration. Let's see the time of administration. Okay, first is time per day, right? Simil in die, that is sim in die, that is once a day, means that particular written tablet should be taken once a day. Okay, simil in die. Then bis in die or bis die, that is BID, BD, twice a day, means at morning, at night, that is twice a day. Then ter in die, that is TID, okay, or TD, that is 3 times a day, means morning, afternoon and evening, that is the 3 times a day. Quarter in die, QID or QD, that is 4 times a day, that is 4 times a day. A particular tablet should be taken 4 times a day. Then 6 in a day, 6 is in a day, that is 6 ID, then 6 times a day, that is that particular tablet should be taken 6 times a day. Okay, this is the time of administration. Then different time of the day, different time of the day. Okay, that is primio mane, that is prim m, early in a morning, means before morning that particular tablet or dosage form should be taken. Then mane, that is m, in a morning, at in morning should be taken in morning. Omni mane, that is om, every morning, that particular prescribed tablet should be taken every morning, that is omni mane. Omni nocte, that is every night, during night time that particular tablet should be taken. Then enter nocte, that is during the night, right? Then nocte, at night, only for night. Then enter noctem, that is during the night. Gentaculum, okay, gentac means breakfast, that is a morning time, after breakfast that particular tablet should be taken, right? The noctate mane, netm, that is night and morning, that is only for night and morning, right? Also called as nocte manic, that is night and morning. This is a different time of the day. Okay, are you understand now what I'm saying? You have to mug up this all, okay, because it is, these terms are very important, right? Then horse time, omni hora means every hour, that particular tablet should be taken. Then omni quarta hora, every 4 hours, particular tablet taken. Singulius horis, that is every horse, as like omni hora. Then alternis horis, that is every 2 hours, that is frequency of our drug, right? Tertis, frequency of administration of our drug, right? Tertis horis, that is every 3 hours. Then cortis horis, that is every 4 hours. Then sextis horis, that is every 6 hours. Okay, then correlated time, right? Correlated time means that particular medicines or dosage form, when and with means when and how to take, right? Means that is anti-sebos means before meal, right? That particular the antacid generally taken before meal, or before on hours of meal, or after on hours of meal, right? During the return of antacids, that time doctor prescribe, write the anti-sebos, that is AC, that is before meal, that particular antacid should be taken before meal. Post-sebos means after meal, means most of time the antibiotics are refer or recommended for after should be taken after meal, right? Then intersebos, that is between meals, means during we do meal, that time that particular tablet should be taken, that is intersebos, right? Then our next slide is okay, other terms, right? Dolor urgenti, okay, dolor urgenti, that is when the pain is severe, means painkiller should be taken when that particular patient feel the pain, okay, has a severe pain, that time dolor urgenti. Then frequenter, that is frequently, means not a continuously, whenever you feel that particular problem, whatever you feel, okay, that time. Lente, that is slowly. Then more dict or more dicto, that is as a directed, okay. C of sit, SOS, when required or when necessary, means that particular tablet when required or when necessary, that time we have to take, right? Statium, that is immediately, as required, okay, immediately. Then to see urgent, that is when the cough is troublesome, okay, means that particular tablet should or dosage form should be taken when you feel the coughing, okay, that is troublesome. Are you understand whatever I am saying? Okay, again I saying you have to mug up this, okay, or understand this particular, okay, it is very necessary, you have to mug up this all